name is Carla White, and I am the registrar here at Pine Hill Middle School for Richmond County Board of Education. And I'm also here with my daughter, Shaxda White, who's the vice president of our school PTA. So we have several dishes here. Our family favorite, macaroni and cheese. Instead of doing the turkey, we did our herb-baked chicken, potato salad, which is slamming, collard greens, which my whole family loves, and this is one of our favorite dishes that we make during the holidays. Candy yams, oh my gosh, they are just awesome, and I can't wait for Dr. Kelly, our principal, to taste it. My daughter and I, we cook everything, and it's so funny because we always cooking. She's at her house cooking, I'm at my house cooking, and then we load up the truck and take it to my sister's house, and then when we get back home, we like, well, we ain't got no food. But we done cook, all day, the day before, and that morning of, the things that we want, fresh, which would probably be the macaroni and cheese and the candy yams and the, dinner roll, the muffins. So, they love us. Thanksgiving, we are Shaxda and Auntie.